Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio, and today we are going to review the account of Pan, one of our funded traders. So Pan joined our program on the on the 27th of August, and he hit his first 10% target on the 29th of October. So 2 months for him to reach his first 10% target. The first thing that I want to mention here is that Pan never went in negative territory, never went below his initial account balance, which is very good. And we can see from his equity line that he had quite a good start. We can see here on the 3rd of September, so just a few days after he joined, it was up by 2.46%. Then by the end of September, around the 21st of September, he was up by 4% on his account. Then something happened and he was back again on a profit of just 1.62% in the beginning of October, but then from then onwards, so the last 20 days, basically he managed to hit his target. So he recovered basically all the profits he lost and also reached the 10%. From the statistic, we can see how his average daily return is 0.13%. An average monthly return of 4.16%, and a drawdown that is 4.79%, which is good because we can see how he kept himself far from the drawdown limit. And again, I want to highlight how he never went in negative territory. So very good. So from the advanced statistics, we can see how he took 187 trades with a profitability rate of 74%, which is very good winning ratio for him. And this also explains something more. If we have a look at his average win, is just 10 pips, while his average loss is 24 pips. So he managed to be profitable because even if his average loss is bigger than his average win, he has a very good profitability rate, and this is basically what led him to reach his target and be profitable on his account. Let's have a look at his best trade and worst trade in terms of pips. We can see how here the best trade was on the 20th of October and he gained 61 pips, while his worst trade on September the 25th, he lost 131 pips. If we have a look on dollar from a dollar point of view, we can see how his best trade done on the 26th of October resulted for him in a gain of $327, while on his worst trade on the 30th of October, I believe this one is on the new account though, he lost $253. Okay, let's have a look at the summary so we can see if he focused on some pairs more than others. And yeah, it's pretty clear how we can almost say he only traded the euro dollar, except for few positions. 10 position on the Aussie dollar and 8 position on the pound Swiss franc, but that also were losing trades for him. So he has a favorite pair that is the euro dollar, and he gained on this pair 553 pips, resulting in a profit of $1,272. Okay, very good, very well done. Let's have a look also at his history to see if he respected the rules since he joined our program. Here we can see when he joined on the 27th of August, and we can see how he kept his volume very low in the beginning. Maybe we just wanted to see how things were working, or maybe it was just adding multiple position on the same pair. We want to remember we just saw that he traded mainly the euro dollar, and we can see how here 0.3, 0.2. Okay, very good. Let's go a little bit higher in time, lately. What he did, yes. Okay, we can see, I believe here is when he hit his first 10% target on the 29th of October, and now is still trading with us at the moment. Okay, let's have a look at the average trade length. Is 15 hours and 36 minutes. Okay. And yes, we can see how the majority of his trades, of his position, were below 2 days, some of them longer than that, and only one position were kept for longer, for 10 days. And it was unfortunately a losing position. I believe what happened here, he had to ask the risk management to keep this position open for longer, since 10 days there must have been a weekend in between, and the risk management team can be flexible sometimes, and they allowed him to hold the position for longer. Unfortunately, it was a losing trade, but yet anyways, very well done, Pan, and we look forward to do the second review of your account. Good afternoon.